A primary entry point system has issued an emergency action notification for all of the United States beginning at 1 a.m. and ending at 2 a.m. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is WGN. We will continue to serve the Chicago area. If you are not in this local area, you should tune to stations providing news and information for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Chicago area. Do not use your telephone. The telephone lines should be kept open for emergency use. The President of the United States or his representative will shortly deliver a message over the emergency alert system.